Okay, good morning, viewers. It is Friday, the 3rd of November, and it's 6:45 in the morning, and I've just finished doing the daily market commentary, put out the trade call for today, and I'm just doing this video before I head to the gym here. It's a euro-dollar long trade, which we are looking for. Of course, it's way too early for us now to enter, but in case I have to enter at the gym, as I do sometimes, after I've got out of the shower, after a good old sauna or steam, then I just wanted to give you the heads up that, look, this has been the call for today. So 6:45, guys, I'm going to shoot off now, and I shall catch up with you later. If there's a trade, of course. All right, take care. It is 10:02 in the morning. It's the 3rd of November 2017. Today's idea was a long euro dollar if XYZ happened, but unfortunately that hasn't happened, so we've got to wipe that off of the table for today. We've got to use our discipline and our strategy, and that means we cannot buy it. One thing which we do look at, obviously we have a multitude of strategies, and we look at probability, and the probability of the sterling just running up marginally today up towards 131, given yesterday's substantial sell-off, is rather high. So you can see from a price perspective, we've obviously got the session highs here at 130.75. We've got the session lows printed down here at 130.38. What I'm actually going to do, we've had services PMI come out today, better than expected, 55. 55 spot 6 versus, I believe, 53 spot 3. So obviously sterling have a bit of a retracement here, still within the broader range, but the market's pulling back to around about 130.63. Now I'm going to watch this one closely. If I can get an order in long, then I'll be looking to do that and just tuck my stop below the lows, okay, just to see if we can get a bit of a run, a bit of a retracement. It is massively counter trend. It is more of an advanced trading strategy, so it's not part of our strategy which we say, right, this is what we're doing. It's, as I say, very much more advanced. It takes a bit of experience if you are going to be trading counter trend like this. So it's 10:04. I'm going to press the pause button and let's see what happens with the price movements here. And obviously for the clients, we can use this as a bit of a learning exercise because, as I say, it's not one that I would recommend everybody get in because it is more of a higher risk, more advanced entry. The only reason I'm doing this, of course, is we've not obviously had anything as far as trades were concerned since the 31st of October. It's been fairly quiet, and I do see the potential for a little bit of profit taking, i.e. dollar weakness, heading into NFPs later on this afternoon or around midday, in fact. So 130.63 is where we're trading. I just want to see for a bit of stability, a bit of price stabilisation here. If that starts to kick in, then we'll look for an entry long, obviously a nice tight stop below the lows, and look to run it up towards 131. Okay guys, 10 past 10, still trading at 64, so I'm going to get an entry in here. I'm going to go with 2.5 lots because it's, there we go, we're in. It's quite a tight stop on this one. I'm going to press pause and get everything set up so you can see the P&L here, and obviously put the stop in place as well. Okay, so stop is now in place. Okay, so it's tucked below the low. Here's a running P&L, 2.5 lots, so every point is $25 per tick, so 27 tick stop loss, guys. So we're looking for at least a 20 tick rally towards the upside. Spiking through the high of the session, circa 130.75. It's around 8 ticks away, so I expect on a stop run we should at least get at least another 10 ticks through there. So, that brings us within 18 to 19 ticks towards a 20-point target. That's all we're looking for here, guys. There's a little bit of a scout move towards the upside on a counter trend, aggressive, higher risk trade play, okay? Merely just to tot up the bank for the week. 10:13, I shall press pause and we'll come back to this shortly. Okay guys, it's 11:18 here. As we can see, we're getting the spikes that we were looking for. We've just pushed to fresh session highs. We're now just going to look for that brief continuation through. You can see from a points perspective that we are sitting up around about 9-10 points at the moment. So really the 20 tick target up here, we want to get to around about 87, so 13 ticks ahead of 131. Let's see if we can get a leg on towards the upside. A little bit of profit taking coming in on the dollar long side, i.e. people liquidating that from yesterday's price move around about an hour ahead of the non-farm payroll. So the US traders obviously coming to their desks and booking profit. So that's the move we're taking advantage of. Right, I'll leave it here for the moment, guys, and let's see if we can get closed out before the NFP release. Hey guys, 11:33. Just getting a little bit of resistance coming in here, which is fine. First session of 200 MA up at session highs. I've just manually put in some targets up here. Okay, not that I'm obviously swinging for the fences on this one, but these are just stepping stone targets to see how price reacts, or if it even does even get towards these areas. So target 183, target 289, target 397, 130.97 before the 131 handle, of course, being the optimum price point. Be a little bit of a shame now if this just comes all the way back down, because then that would indicate it's a bit of a flush move to free up liquidity, get everybody long, and then roll over. However, what I'm banking on is, the profit taking continues with the good UK numbers which we've had this morning over the next 50 odd minutes before the NFP release. So we'll see what happens. P&L at the moment 170 quid. Let's press pause. Okay guys, done. 11:40 is the time. British pound US dollar, bought 2.5 lots, 130.66 entry. It says here 111, guys. Remember, this is 3 hours ahead. Closed 11:40 and 22 seconds, so literally a few moments ago at 130.92. 8 ticks ahead of the 131 handle, £485 and 2 pence profit ahead of course, the key non-farm payroll release. So, of course, the entry point there to the exit, about 25 ticks, 27 tick risk. So just seeing that run through of these key price points which are manually identified. And as I said, this is more of an advanced trading strategy, obviously counter trend. The majority of our trades are with the trend, okay? They follow a specific set of rules, etc. This is more advanced, and we do, of course, cover this in detail throughout our trading education. I.e., it's an experience. It's not something where you're going to come in, you're going to learn everything in a week. It takes time. If you are interested in obviously learning about this strategy, okay, that's the phone. Let me just press pause, guys. Apologies about that, guys. Right, so where was I? Obviously, entry, exit. As you can see, the market has very much taken the profit, okay, as soon as we come up into that region. There was a specific reason that we targeted that area. And as you can see, over the last 15 minutes or so, we have seen that reaction towards the downside here, okay? Momentum obviously overstretched. So if you obviously want to become part of what we're doing here, guys, you need to visit the website, forex-e-learn.com. If you've got any questions, then please feel free to contact us, okay? Thank you very, very much for watching, and I shall see you on Sunday for the end of week FX report. All the best, guys. Cheers.